Hello friends, today I am making crispy rice cake which is a different dish. Let's get started now. For crispy rice cake, two main ingredients are required, that is 1 cup urad dal and 2 cups of rice rava. You can see the texture of rice rava is like this. You can grind a raw rice also. If rice rava is not available in the market. And also take white urad dal. Now add water to the rice rava and leave it for 1 hour. Now add water to the urad dal and leave it for 4 hours for soaking. Now after 4 hours, see the urad dal is well soaked enough. Now drain off the water from the container. Rice rava is soaked for 1 hour. Remove the water from the rice rava. Now take a mixing jar and add urad dal into the jar. Now grind the urad dal and make a thick paste. Now transfer the urad dal paste into a container. After that, add soaked rice rava into the urad dal paste. Now add 1 spoon of salt. Now mix well. After mixing, ferment it for 6 hours. After fermentation, the consistency of batter should be like this. Now add chopped onion, chopped tomatoes, chopped green chilli. Now mix well all these ingredients. Now take one aluminium vessel, add some oil, approximately 1 tablespoon. Now check whether the oil is heated. Now add the batter gently into the aluminium vessel and tap on all sides evenly. Now after spreading the batter, keep the flame in low. Cover the rice cake with a lid and cook it for 10 to 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, take the lid and see the first side is well roasted enough. Now using a spatula, gently remove the cake from the aluminum vessel and turn it into the other side. Wow! See what a golden brown color it turns. Well roasted, yummy looking rice cake. After turning it into the other side, again cover the rice cake with a lid and cook it for 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, using the same spatula, turn it into the other side. See, the other side is also well roasted. Now take this rice cake into a plate. Now cut this rice cake into 4 pieces and see, the texture of rice cake is nice. Now crispy rice cake is ready to eat. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.